Hi guys, welcome to Goddess Naturals YouTube channel. My name is Liz, and in this channel we talk about all about natural hair and how we can maintain our natural hair, especially those who have the hardest natural hair. So guys, today we want to pull a look for this festive season. Hope you will enjoy, and if you're new here, welcome. So the first thing that you will do is part the hair into 4 sections in the front side, but the back part we shall leave it like that. We shall lay low on the back part, but in the front part we shall section our hair into 4 sections and flat twist. Guys, this is the first time that I'm doing the flat twist, and before I did it, I just used, my hair was clean. I did wash my hair yesterday, and just today I just used leave-in for moisturizing, and I used Jamaican black castor oil, shea butter. Guys, the flat twist, I already did one flat twist on the side, but I didn't show you because I was not able to record and at the same time doing it. So I'm trying to do it now because it's not easy to do a flat twist without looking at the mirror, guys, especially if you're new in this flat twist thing, especially when your hair is tough and hard. Detangling the hair is usually hard. Though I had used my white tooth comb to detangle my hair, still sectioning it to the flat twist was a bit tricky for me, especially if it's the first time doing it. Guys, I cannot teach you how to do the flat twist until I learn more, but there are so many videos in the YouTube that you can check and learn how to do the flat twist. Or if you're good at braiding your hair, you can just do a cornrow. Yeah, cornrow can do this. Guys, I think I was just trying to do this. So I'm just doing all the 4 parts and laying it low with some gel. I will use the gel so that the hair will slick down and reduce the frizz. So after I'm done doing the 4 flat twists, I secured the hair on the back of my head, and I just applied some gel to lay low my hair. Guys, my flat twists were not the same, especially on the left side. One flat twist it's a bit big than the other, but being the first time, guys, I think I did some good job, though it was not that perfect. I hope I'll perfect with time, guys. Yeah, I will. I'll do some more practice, you know. So after applying the gel, I just used my scarf to lay low and wait for the gel to dry. I think it took like 5 hours to do this, to wait for it to dry, and I was waiting. I did some few makeups because I wanted to leave the house later in the day, and to add some nice look, I used these strings. I don't know what we call them, the shiny one. I just went to the cosmetic and said that I need to buy them. I just bought one at maybe 50 bob Kenyan shillings, and I'll use this Marley braid that I had before to do a bun at the back of my head. You shall see how it comes. I'm using a crochet to do this to put these strings, like you're closing them so that you can have the look. I was not able to do it in the camera because I wanted to look myself in the mirror as I was doing it. I'm very sorry guys that I didn't show you how I did it. And then the remaining of the string I just twisted it at the back of the over here, and I did the other side, and that's it guys. Just some beautification so that the look doesn't look that flat, you know. So after adding the strings, I'm putting my Marley blade. I'm using a string, a black string, just to hold down the Marley blade, because I realize sometimes when I use a rubber band it usually comes out, and I don't want this to come out because I want this hairstyle to last me for like about a maximum of maybe 1 week or less. I know it can't go more than 1 week because of the frizz, but I hope so guys. I hope it will last me for a few weeks, so that's why I want my Marley braid to be totally secure. It doesn't come out when I sleep or any other time, so you can just use, even you can add some bob pin at the Marley blade when you're done loading it at the back of your hair to form the bun. Yeah, you can just use some bob pins, but I use the string just to hold it down. Even if it gets to a ponytail, getting it back to a bun, it easier that way. So guys, that is the final look, though I'm adding some clips, these silver clips that I had. I just thought it will look a bit nice at the back of the bun, but it's not a must that you add the clips. If you don't have them, just leave it like that. You still look good, you know. But I thought, why not? And I have them. So guys, that's the end of the video. I was proud at the outcome. Hope you enjoy it. And if you're new, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. More is coming. Every week I'll be uploading a video, maybe how to maintain your hair, how to do different hairstyle. And don't forget to hit the notification bell and like the video. Bye guys, love you.